Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for a proven way to start generating Clickbank commissions online. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because what we're gonna get into inside this video is the following powerful things. Number one is how to choose good Clickbank products to promote that are guaranteed to make you money. A lot of people that go out there online, they try to promote a product, but they're actually promoting the wrong products that will never actually convert and pay them the money they want. We're gonna get into how to choose the right product. We're also gonna get into a full formula to generate Clickbank commissions on total autopilot. If you're someone that doesn't like doing a lot of effort, you like the idea of just waking up and seeing your bank account increasing with deposits, then this video is gonna be one you wanna pay close attention to. I'm also gonna reveal a software to quickly generate funnels online. A funnel is basically one of the little pieces we're gonna use to put this all together and automate this entire money-making machine. I'm gonna share with you a software to do that. I'm gonna share with you another software to build a wildly profitable asset online that pays you for years to come. This one asset alone has put thousands and thousands of dollars in my pocket, and I'm gonna share with you this in this video. And I'm also, towards the end of the video, gonna reveal a little known site that will instantly deliver targeted traffic, okay, which is people, to your affiliate offers so you can make as much money as possible without needing to set up anything. You're not gonna have to do a lot of testing or complicated setup. It's literally copy and paste, as you'll see towards the end of this video. But before I dive into these secrets, I just want to share with you that if you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest money-making videos, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest training. And last but not least, I have a free training right now that I'm giving away for people to really share my number one way to succeed online. That's at the first link. Be sure to get access to that today as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, my friends, so I'm on clickbank.com. Now, this is the place where we're gonna find the products to actually start promoting and making money as soon as even today, in many cases, for many people watching this video. So you wanna create an account if you don't have a Clickbank account already. It's totally free to do. And once you create a free account, what you're gonna do is simply log in, okay? Now, once you log in, you're gonna wanna click to the top right here where it says Marketplace. This is gonna take you to the Marketplace where you can choose from all these different types of products and categories to start promoting. Now, there's all these different ones: business and investing, cooking, food, and wine. But what I'm gonna share with you in this method is to use e-business and e-marketing. This is products teaching people mainly how to make money online. Now, you want to sort results by gravity. This is going to be showing what products right now are other people making sales with. And the reason you want to also promote the same products other people are getting results with is because you know if other people are getting results, there's a great chance you can get results as well. So if I do by gravity, you're going to see the gravity score right here, okay? Now, this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate system, has 189 gravity. That means on average about 189 other people this week have made sales on Clickbank, okay? This product right now at the time of recording is performing incredibly well. Now, if you want to promote a product, the next step is you need to get your affiliate link. This is a link that is coded to you and you only, and when you get someone to go to that link and buy the product through your link, that's how Clickbank knows to pay you a portion of that money. And it says right here, the average dollar per sale is $75.26, which is really, really good. So you want to click promote, okay, generate hop links, and then this is your affiliate link. Now you want to copy this and place it in a notepad to keep it handy for the method that we're going to be using in a second, okay? Now, what you want to realize is that most people go wrong because they send everyone directly to the affiliate link. The problem with this is that most people will not decide to buy instantly. Most people will not decide to buy on the spot. They need time to get followed up with and get multiple exposures. So what we want to do is we want to actually follow up with these people and share our affiliate link with them more than one time. And you may be wondering, how exactly do we do this? Well, according to Clickbank, 97% of the top affiliates, okay, are using email marketing. That means that they are actually collecting the lead, collecting the prospect, collecting the person's email address, okay, that you're promoting to, and they are following up through emails, promoting the product again and again until they either buy or they're not interested, to which you can promote another product. So how exactly do we collect email addresses and then follow up even on autopilot so we can make commissions while we're sleeping, while we're hanging out with our friends and family? That's what I'm gonna share right now. Okay, so right now I'm inside of a software called Clickfunnels. Now, if you don't know what Clickfunnels is, basically it's a software where you can actually create capture pages, which are pages that will capture the person's email, and also thank you pages, membership sites, all kinds of incredible things. And I use this every single day in my business, and as do the top affiliate marketers with Clickbank, okay? So there's gonna be a link underneath the video in the description that you can actually click and get access to a 14-day free trial so you can actually start creating funnels, generating income, so then when the monthly charge starts happening, you're already way ahead and it's all profit, okay? Now, once you're inside of Clickfunnels, you want to create a new funnel. And to do this, you just hit add new and then create new funnel, okay? And then you just choose collect emails because that's what we're gonna do. Now, I want to share with you that this is really what you will get taken to. You can create an opt-in or a capture page and then a thank you page. You can either send it to your own thank you page or you can just redirect it to the sales page or your affiliate link, right? Now, when it comes to opt-in, I want to share with you that you can actually edit and choose from tons of different templates. Now, I actually created this opt-in to promote the 12-minute affiliate system right before I created this video. And I want to share with you how I actually came up with this copy, because it's very important to come up with really good writing that's compelling and builds curiosity on your capture page. The reason is we want to get people curious so they will put their email address in, and then we're building an email list. And I'm going to share with you how you can actually collect email addresses and then send out your very first email as well inside this video as you keep watching. But how did I come up with discover the brand new system, etc.? All you want to do is very simply, when you find a product you want to promote, you want to open up this link. This is going to take you to the sales page. Okay, this is what the sales page looks like for this product. And all you want to do is you want to look right here, okay? And this may look familiar. I just took the writing that's on their sales page. I know it's very, very good and very good copy, and I just copied this and put it into here and then kind of removed some excess words. And I made this red, which you can do very easily, okay, on ClickFunnels. You can edit all this, right? And I just did that, okay? So it's very, very simple. You can just go to the sales page and use what's on there. And then to redirect people when they put their email address in, you can just go to general, okay? And on submit, you can actually put in a link and you can put your affiliate link. So that means when someone puts their email address in and submits it, it will redirect them to this page. So you're already getting one exposure, and some people may buy instantly, but then you can follow up. Okay. Now, as you keep watching, I'm going to share with you right now how you can actually collect their emails. Another very simple software to do that, as well as a traffic source that you can start using today to get traffic and even some sales, okay, and make money. So how do we start collecting emails? Well, you want to use an email autoresponder service. Now, the one I recommend is Aweber. Okay, it's very great when it comes to promoting make money online products, as far as the one that we chose here. Now, there's going to be a link directly below where you can try out Aweber for 30 days risk-free, okay? Just go to the link below and get access to that. And once you're inside of Aweber, you want to create a new list, okay? So if you go to manage lists, you can actually create a list here, okay? And you would just fill out your information, next step, Put your list name, okay? So you could type something like, okay, affiliate products to promote, okay, or something like that. You could do a little list description. I will share valuable products. Next step. That's good. Approve message and create list. Bam, now you have your first list created. Now you want to go to list settings and list options, and then you want to go to confirmation message and turn that off. Okay, the reason is we do not want them to have to confirm. We just want to send them an email instantly. Now once you do that, you want to go here and go to follow-up series. Drag and drop email builder, and this is where we're going to create the first email that sends out automatically when someone actually opts into our list. They put their email in on this page. We want to create the message. Now you can make this message very simple, okay? For the subject line, this is the line that people see when they first opt in, and it sends out to their email inbox. You could say something like, congrats, here's the info you requested. Okay, something very simple that reminds them of what they opted in for. And then right here, you just want to say, hey, it's, your name. I saw you requested info on how to, and then you can just kind of say what this is. How to make 78 to 922 a day per day. Here's the link again, best, and then your name. Okay, and I can make this bigger. Okay, and then here's the link again right here. You just go here, hit this little paperclip, and then put in your affiliate link. Okay, so I would copy this. Okay, well if I go to right here. Okay, copy this link, and then just put this in here, okay? And then hit save and exit. Now once you do that, you just hit send options, and you can add to follow-up series, okay? And there we go. Now this sends immediately when they actually opt in. And then you can create another message, and you can say something, different. Now I want to share with you this. If I go to Clickfunnels and I go to affiliate page, some of these products have an affiliate page with resources, okay? And if I go down here, this specific product has email swipes. Okay, so this would be the subject that you would put in, okay, here, and then you can just copy this as the body, and then this is your link. Okay, so you would highlight this and make that your affiliate link. And you can put these emails in to your follow-up series. So once you go down below and you get access to Aweber, you can start putting these messages in. Okay, now the last step is, how do we get traffic to this page? Well, this is very simple. I share a lot of methods, so be sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell icon if you haven't already, because I share constantly different traffic methods, so you can pick which one you actually enjoy the best. But for this example, you can just use solo ads. Now, if we go to a site called udemy.com, okay, and there should be a link below where you can actually sign up for a free account with Udemy, you can pay people a very small amount of money, and they will send an email to their email list promoting your capture page. Okay, and this is how you can start getting leads and start getting sales when they actually see your sales page. Now, how do you find good people? Well, you can go to find sellers at the top, and what I recommend you do is you sort by sales. This is going to be what percent you see right here. Okay, 31%, 30%. This is how many percent of people that bought from these people reported sales, okay? And you want to choose people that had a high percentage of sales, because if other people are getting sales, you probably will as well. So this person had 31%. So if I click on this person, okay, then you can just write in a subject line of an email. And again, you can just go to here, get the subject line, make that the email, and then put the email in. And again, you could just use one of their emails here, okay, copy that and paste it into here. And then you would just highlight, okay, and then go here. And then what you would do there is make it this link, okay, because you want them sending traffic to your capture page. And that's it. And then you would just send how much visitors you want. Okay, 300, you can go all the way down to 100. You can, for this guy, you can go all the way up to 375. And you can see down here that the total is adjusting, okay? And then once you, and I recommend you send at least 100 visitors, okay? And once you choose it, you just hit add to cart. You can pay with PayPal, and bam, you're starting to get traffic, okay? So this is an absolutely incredible method that you can start using to generate traffic as soon as possible. And this will, if you're following up with people, this will result in many, many sales every single week. Well, there we have it, my friend. I hope you enjoyed learning this powerful method. If you stayed to the end and you got value, be sure to click the like button below to let me know to make more videos just like this. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button, again, if you haven't already, so you're always notified of my latest videos. And last but not least, be sure, if you haven't, click the first link in the description and get access to that free training while it's still available. It's going to share with you my #1 way to take your results online to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.